Did you know that the average person hears between 10 to 200 lies a day? Most of us are terrible at spotting them. But what if I told you that a liar's body always gives them away? Today we are uncovering 7 psychological signs someone is lying to you. Number 6 is a verbal slip-up that almost every liar makes without realizing it. Sign 1, the frozen upper body. We often think liars are fidgety. But in reality, when someone is telling a complex lie, their brain is so focused that they often become unusually still. If someone looks like they've turned into a statue while explaining something, be careful. They might be carefully crafting a story. Sign 2, excessive eye contact. Natural eye contact lasts about 3 to 5 seconds. Liars, however, know that avoiding eye contact is a sign of guilt. To compensate, they often stare too much and blink less to try and look more honest. It's an intimidating, unblinking stare. Sign 3, covering vulnerable body parts. Watch their hands. When someone feels uncomfortable or dishonest, they instinctively cover their throat, chest, or mouth. It's a subconscious defensive move to protect themselves while they feel exposed by their own lie. Sign 4, too much detail. If you ask a simple question and they give you a 5-minute answer with unnecessary details about the time, the weather, and what they were wearing, red flag. Liars provide extra detail because they hope the complexity will make the story more believable. Sign 5, feet pointing toward the door. The feet are the most honest part of the body. If someone is talking to you but their feet are pointed toward the exit, their body is literally screaming that they want to escape the conversation because they are uncomfortable or lying. Sign 6, repeating the question. If you ask, "Did you take the money?" and they answer, "Did I take the money?" "No, I didn't," they are buying time. Repeating the question is a classic stalling tactic for the brain to come up with a believable lie. Sign 7, the backward story test. If you suspect someone is lying, ask them to tell the story backwards. Truthful people can do this because they are remembering a real event. Liars usually fail because they only memorize the story in one direction. Which of these signs have you noticed in people lately? Share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more psychological deep dives. See you in the next one.